Hey guys, welcome back to the show. We're going to be doing two product reviews. One is called, it's kind of weird. It's only $5 and change on Amazon. It's called Funi, and I got down below, all-purpose cleaner. It's supposed to clean your pots, the stuff that collects on your pots and everything's supposed to clean that. So we're going to try it on this pot today. And then I found this, Goo Gone. Seen it all my life, but I've never used it. So we're gonna try it out on one of my barbecue grills and see how it cleans it up, okay? All right, let's get started. Oh, I forgot one thing. By the way, I don't know if you remember, but there was a company called SBDW Inc. that gave me the red barbecue gloves that I'm using here. It goes up to 450 degrees. There's silicone, but there's cloth inside. Well, I have two of them to give away. So if you want them, just sign up for my Facebook page. If you're already a part of the Facebook page, I don't care if it's Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, just write me that you want the barbecue gloves. And I got two pair right here that I'm gonna mail out to you, okay? So let me know. Thanks a lot, SBDW Inc., for doing that. I'll have a link down to their products down below, and I appreciate you giving me some giveaway stuff. That's pretty cool. Now, when you buy these little tablets, they come in little packages like this. There's a whole bunch of tablets in there. What you do is you fill it up with water, and you put the tablets in, and just drop a tablet in, and then you take, supposedly, they claim that it removes all that. So we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna take this pot right here and I'm gonna try and clean the bottom of this and see how it does. I just looked up these tablets. These tablets are gonna replace everything. They're talking laundry soap, they're talking tile cleaner, they're talking just regular counter cleaner, they're talking everything. This multifunctional cleaning tablets, they're like really powerful. So let me go get some water and I'll drop a tablet in and then we'll get started on this, see if it works. Just to give you an idea of how small the tablet is, that's the tablet. And you got about, I would say about 10 of these. So we're gonna fill our thing up with water and drop it in. Okay, we're gonna drop our tablet in. You ready? Here we go. I don't know if it's like Pepsodent or Effordent or whatever, but it's dissolving, you can see it. Yeah, that makes it dissolve faster by shaking it. All right, well, cool. This is like one of the oldest pots I have. Over the years, stuff's collected at the bottom of this. Yucky brown stuff, and just from burning, gases, and I don't know what. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna open it. Spray the bottom. Spray. Spray. There we go. Time to do a little scrubbing. Let's hold this still. I don't see any difference. So these multifunctional cleaning supplies are supposed to work on your pots and pans, and they do not. So that is a no-go failure right there. I don't know how it works with laundry and tile, but if it don't clean my pot and pan, I don't care about the rest. Okay, well, if you don't believe me, look at my hand. Just from carrying it in, there's goo all over it. There's junk just caked onto this grill. So this is gonna be a good example. Okay, so this is the test of Goo Gone. Are you ready? We can give it a good coating. Okay, we're gonna let that set for a while. Let it work on the goo. All right, so we've been letting it sit there for a while. We're just gonna scrub it down now and see how it does. I'm not gonna make you watch me scrub the whole thing, but you can see that the black is coming off. All right, so let me lift this up and show you what came off it first. All that garbage came off from just scrubbing with the Goo Gone. And if you look, see my hand the way it is, right? Press right on it. My hand's the same, no black marks. So basically, the black gunk that was on my black grill, it's hard for you to see, but you have to trust me that it did a great job cleaning my grate. So I'm going to finish fine tune it. I got some cracks and crevices I want to attack again. But basically, this is a success. Goo gone. Check it out at your store. That's where I got it. And give it a try. All right? Take care. I'll talk to you later.